It's Monday and I just got done posting something on my stories and it got me thinking that it's Monday and my job and my work is basically creating content about my life. So what better video to record right now than to show you ladies how to build a business around basically content creation. So if you absolutely love to create content, you're into like graphic design, you always love to take cute pictures, like get dressed up, go take cute pictures with your best friend. I'm gonna show you a few different business ideas that you can start that doesn't require any money to get started on, but you can either use this as a side income to bring in additional cash flow, or you can literally turn it into a full-time income. And the cool part about this is you're probably already doing this on a daily basis. Like, how many times do you love to like pull out your phone and record a video or take a cute picture? But now I'm gonna show you how you can actually get paid to do so. So if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Sabah and we talk all things about money, mindset, and creating the most unforgettable life for yourself by being your own boss and making your own money so you can actually live life, because that is what life is about, okay? So in this video, I'm gonna break down the top 3 businesses you ladies should be doing if you absolutely just love anything like creation. Once again, content creation, graphic design, even if you're like into doing makeup and like styling outfits, anything, if you have a creative bone in your body, you're gonna be able to start these businesses and start making money right away. So by the end of this video, you will have a business that you can start today and honestly start to make money this week, because it doesn't take you that much time to set up, get started, and start getting paid. Now, with all of the business ideas I'm gonna share, there's one thing that you have to do that's gonna allow you to actually make this money. And if you have been on my channel, you already know this. It's all about personal branding. When you have a personal brand, you can honestly create any product, start any business, and make money because people know you. They love you and they want to learn from you and they want to buy from you. And if you don't know what a personal brand is, it's basically self-expression of you, who you are, your interests, your likes, what you value, what you believe. And of course, if you are in a specific industry, you're providing value in that area to your audience. So for me, for an example, my personal brand is all about creating an unforgettable life by being your own boss, which comes from building a personal brand that you can get paid money for on social media. So with all of these businesses, once again, build your personal brand. Okay, I will link a video right here. I went into depth and detail of how to build a personal brand in 2024. So if you're just getting started or you don't necessarily know how to, go watch this video, of course, after you finish this one. Okay, so the first business you are going to start is creating and selling a digital product, okay? This is so simple and so easy. Honestly, anybody can do it. And you can honestly sometimes create this in like a few hours, because digital products, they can be anything from an ebook, a guide, a template, a journal. It can be a course. It can even be like arts and graphics. It can be a calendar, basically anything that you are sending someone digitally. Now, how you want to come up and craft a digital product is going to be based on what you enjoy doing and what you're also really good at and what you want to help others to do. So for an example, if you love, once again, to take pictures on your phone, you like to style yourself with like cute clothes, you can create either an ebook or even like a video series on how to style yourself on a budget, right? So let's say you have an audience of girls who absolutely love to dress up, but they don't want to break their bank going to like expensive designers to buy these like clothes and purses and accessories. You're gonna show them how to look luxurious, modern, classy, beautiful, but on a budget. Okay, I will tell you, if someone creates this, they're going to make so much money overnight because so many people need this. So all you really have to do is come up with the information and package it into a product that you can sell. And some of my favorite sites that I love to use when it comes to creating digital products are, first of all, Canva. So if you need to use something to make like the graphics look pretty or even create like an ebook or like a guide, Canva is your best friend. If you need to use software to record something, honestly, I just love to use Zoom or Loom. They're both, honestly, I think they're free. I have the paid version, but I think they're free to get started on like the basic plan, and you can record your screen. You can record yourself just creating videos. So that way, if you are creating some sort of like video series, you can use that. Or quite honestly, like you don't need much. You can also use your phone to record videos and package it up into a digital product. Now, the second business you can start are services. Now, you can do services online and you can also do it offline. So let's keep going with the example of helping girls style and look beautiful on like a budget, right? So you can actually provide this service in person. You can kind of be like a shopping assistant for somebody or even a stylist and go shopping with these individuals, go to their home and actually style them. So if you're somebody who really likes to interact, be in person with people, you can actually do that. When I first got started with my business, I mean, I wasn't in the niche of fashion, but what I actually did was I would go into restaurants and businesses and take pictures of their food and promote their product on social media because I absolutely loved content creation, right? And personal branding. So I did this in person as a service. So that's something you can do, especially if you already have like a community in your industry or in your city. You already have friends that would pay you for these services. Might as well start in person. Now, once again, you can also take these services online. Maybe you can do one-on-one consultation calls and helping people figure out where to shop, what type of like clothing and accessories and jewelry and purses and bags actually fit their body type, right? So maybe you're doing like an hour-long consultation and giving them specifics of where to shop and how to dress. Like that is something people would absolutely love, especially once again, if you have an audience for it. And that is why I said build your personal brand, okay? Because when you have an audience on social media who just loves you, right, they're gonna wanna buy from you, especially if you've done it for yourself. Like with all of these businesses, you're going to be coming up with these products based on what you like and based on what you're already doing. So if you're on social media and you're showing your clothes, you're showing your fashion, people are naturally going to reach out and be like, oh my gosh, where did you buy it? Oh my gosh, I wish I knew where you got that. Like all of those things, right? So it kind of goes like hand in hand. So with digital products, you can be doing that, or with services. Now, the third business you can start actually goes hand in hand with like services, but this is UGC. And what that stands for is user generated content. Now, people think UGC is something that's like brand new, especially when like TikTok blew up in 2020. But quite honestly, UGC has been around for quite some time, especially because I used to do it for, once again, like businesses and restaurants, going and recording content for them and them using it for their business, for their marketing, and for their advertisements. So that's basically what UGC is. You are getting paid by businesses for you to create pretty like video or pictures with their products, and then they're using it to promote it on their platforms and of course get clients for their own products. So if you're somebody, once again, who just absolutely loves to take pictures, be creative when it comes to videos and transitions and lighting and background and all of those things, and you honestly don't really care to either build your personal brand and you don't really care to create your own product, but you actually want to work with other businesses, this is the perfect business for you. Because yes, like personal branding, it still helps to get clients because of course you're going to get these clients through social media. So if you have a brand and you're posting your portfolio on social media, naturally people are going to reach out to you. But if you want something that's a little separate from like you, UGC is like perfect and it's the way for you to go. And I'll give you guys a bonus thing. If you actually go on TikTok and you search like UGC businesses, you will come up with so many videos of other creators showing you and telling you what businesses are actually actively looking for creators to pay for them to create content for their brands. So if this is something that you just like want to do ASAP, go to TikTok because there are so many people specifically teaching what businesses are paying creators to do UGC content for. Now, the last and final business is honestly really fun, and a lot of people do not know this, but this was actually the very first business that I started before I ever even got into coaching, digital products, providing a service, anything, and it is print on demand. So if you guys know me, I actually graduated with a fashion major and I thought I would be working at like a fashion company in New York City. So one of the first ever products that I actually sold online was print on demand t-shirts. So I came up with a logo, which is my brand, Unforgettable. You guys can see it in the back. And I put it on t-shirts. And I also started to print out different bold quotes and motivational quotes for females and put them on these t-shirts. So basically how print on demand works is the first thing that you do is actually come up with like the graphic or with the design. So once again, if you just like love art, you like to do graphic design, you like to come up with like logos or even just like once again quotes, motivational quotes, that's what you do first. And then you can use companies that will fulfill your orders and you don't even have to do anything with the t-shirt or with the product. So some companies that you can use are like Printify, Shopify, Printful, Gelato. I think I use something within like Shopify and Printful when I first got started, but that's honestly all you do. You upload the logo and then you can choose like what type of fabric you want, what type of style of t-shirt you want, what type of color you want, and then all you literally do is just hit print or ship to specific people. Now, once you actually embed print on demand with like a Shopify store, it's really simple. So clients will come to your store, come to your website, they'll click order, and then you don't have to do any fulfillment because it will notify the company that you're using to print the product and for them to actually ship it to your customer. So once again, all you're really doing is the input, which is basically coming up with the logo, with the graphic, setting up your shop, and then marketing. And then the rest, they're taken care of for you. And that's what I did in the really beginning. I started with selling t-shirts and I still have t-shirts, but like that was just so fun for me to like really dip my toes in. And I know people who make like millions of dollars doing print on demand because people always want like t-shirts, and you don't even have to do t-shirts. You can do like literally print on demand on phone cases. You can do it on mugs. You can even do it with like coasters or like laptop cases. Like you can do print on demand with so many things. So if you're somebody who really enjoys, once again, like graphics design, you actually want to be selling like a physical product, print on demand is perfect for you. And let me know in the comments if you want me to do a full in-depth video on print on demand, because this is something that once again I used to do. I do not have my store set up anymore for people to buy like my Unforgettable t-shirts. However, it was on my goals this year to get my store up and running again. So comment below print on demand if you want me to record me fully setting up my store so you know exactly how to do it. And I will do it for you, okay? Because I know that's one of my goals and I'm like, why not show you guys like the entire behind the scenes step-by-step process to do it? But I'll only do it if you guys comment print on demand. So these are the top 4 businesses that you ladies can start. And once again, the best part is like, you're probably already creating content, shooting videos, maybe, designing cute logos and graphics and coming up with like art and ideas. Like you were already doing it, so might as well get paid to do it. And once again, these businesses, they don't take long to set up, start, and get paid. Like you can probably set all of these businesses up within a week. So now you have a business idea that will bring you in some side income or replace your full-time income. So I'm so curious, and let us know in the comments what business you are going to start today or this week to start to bring in that money. So as always, if you guys love this video, make sure to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. This entire channel is about helping you be the person who builds such an unforgettable life filled with wealth, filled with health, filled with joy. Like if that's something that you want, that's what I do. I come out with, I was going to say weekly videos every single Sunday, but recently I've been posting like twice a week and sometimes even 3 times a week because so many of you are finding my channel and it just motivates me to create even more videos for all of you. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to live a life of true freedom. So until next time, make sure that you stay unforgettable.